Hi everyone. Have you ever had a larger video file that's just too big to share or upload? Well, I've got you covered. Let me show you how you can compress larger videos without losing the quality of your videos. Whether it is a 2K, whether it is a 1080p, whether it's 720, I'm going to help you compress your video without losing its quality. So here I'm going to select the section of compressing the video. Then I'm coming to my video. I open my file manager. Yeah, I go there to videos. Okay, I'm going to choose the video. Yes, I've got the video IMG 3002. That's my video. Okay, I'm going to open the properties of the video before I start so that you can see what I'm gonna do here. Yeah, the properties. Just right click the mouse, right click it, then you open it. Okay, even here you can see it has a storage. The size of the video, just come to the properties here. It is 1.63 gigabytes. That is before I compress the video. Size on the disk is also the same, 1.63 GB. Okay, I'm going to open this into the app. Okay, it reaches here. On this side, we're gonna look. Okay, the frame rate of the video, I'm going to push it to 30. Then the width of the video, I'm going to put 1920. Then on the height, I'm going to put 1080. That is the resolution of my video. This is a YouTube video. Then I'm gonna press compress. You just click the compress, then everything will just fine. Will just go at just 4%, 5%, 6%. It's just come. So just wait, be patient, because good things take time. Be patient. This software I'm giving you here, this one will compress even a video, a 1 hour video. It will compress it without losing the quality of the video. It will just retain its quality. So the video you see, the video is the video of 13 minutes, 15 seconds. You just wait until the video is finished. So Okay, after the compression of your video has been completed, you get a message, and the message will tell you, thank you, your video compressor, whatever. So here we are going to open the video that we have compressed. We are going to look at its properties. Remember, before it was compressed, it was 1.3 something GB, and now after compression, its size is 420, 452 MBs, I mean. So the quality is still the same. There is no change in quality. It is just the same, but the size has been reduced. Remember, the compression time that your video will take, it will depend with the size of your video. Okay, I did it because I already had the software installed in my PC. So if you want to install it before, go to your browser, search video compressor, then go to the Microsoft Store, you open it, then it will lead you to video compressor resize. Look for the one that I had, the one with blue and white logo, this one. Then you install it. You open it, it will redirect you to in a Microsoft Store. Then you open it, you view in the store, then you will have installed it. So after that, you just follow the steps I shown you before. So guys, thank you for staying with me and trusting my process. So you just try. I know this one has been a very big problem to many people. You've recorded a video. For example, video is 5 minutes. If you look at the size of the video, it's very large. You can't share, you can't upload. And I think if you compress your video, it will help your viewers. At least it will save them data so they can stay to watch your videos for a very long time. So guys, thank you. Until next time.